Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Actually, this is the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 3. These are variant from Google, and today we're gonna see what do they have. Do they have something which is so special to be called the Pixel, or is it just that the same variant with the Pixel 2? Now let me just break it down today. Now I got the Nexus here. This is the Nexus 5, not latest. I would say latest, but this is not a latest device. This is an old device, but let us throw it there, then I'll be back with it in a moment. Now let us just break it down on the specification of the Pixel 3 XL. Now this kind of device comes up with 4GB of RAM, and it comes up with two variants of storage, which is a 64GB of storage and a 128GB of storage. Definitely this kind of device have something which is so great when it comes to its own kind of camera. Kind of device gives you some amazing kind of, I can call them ingredient when it comes to camera, because Google play around with software, and if they play around with software, I hope you guys know what's going to happen. It's something which is so great. Another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, it's having a Corning Gorilla Glass. Now Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is so great upon this device, I give it go. Another kind of stuff which is so great, you'll be just like, whoa, this is so great. This is about the Android 9.0. If you're new and you don't know about the Android, well, let us just break it down. There's an Android 9.0 which is called Android Pie, which is so great to my own kind of aspect, because it has a little bit like new improvement of the UI of Android from the Android Rio to Android 9. Now some few devices may be having Android 9, especially like the Pixel and the Nexus. Do they just like exist? I don't know. Comment down below if you feel like Nexus is on the air. Now another kind of stuff upon this kind of great device is upon the notch. When it comes to the Pixel 3 XL, it has a notch, while the Pixel 3 doesn't have a notch. Now this kind of device is so great to its own kind of ingredient. Notch has been something which is so crucial, we can call it, or we can call the notch city, or we can call the notch a big notch. Another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, its own greatness when it comes to testing, and their own greatness when it comes to camera, because we know that the Pixel 2, if you guys remember, it showed John Legend video.
About to make this music video. Oh, the Google Pixel. It's gonna be fun.
And it's something which is so great. Now you can see a phone performs very great, more than the camera which we having nowadays. So the phone is so tremendous when it comes to camera, and they give it go. Now this is the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. These are like my first thoughts to explain to you guys, so as you can know, this device exists in October 2018, and it has some greatness when it comes to its own flavor. Definitely. So that's it about the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, and these are like my impressions. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you drop that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate you guys. And yeah, we have hit it almost across 1120. Does it even exist, the number? So yeah, that's what's up. I'm just joking with you guys. So definitely that's what's up with the Pixel 3. So I'll be announcing the winners on Sunday, definitely. I'll be announcing all the winners who they won the 2 t-shirts, cause I said you just do the thing. Make sure that you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you go and subscribe to my they're calling it subscribing. Or am I the one who's calling it subscribing? It's calling following. Follow me on Instagram, it will be so great, and I'll be announcing the winner. The next day of Saturday, it's called Sunday. So I'll be announcing the winners there. So yeah, that's what's up. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Should I just... Yeah. Peace.